Hey, 1065 here, and today we have another unboxing. This comes from eBay. I paid $5 for this robot. Yes, it's another robot. And pretty much once you guys see the title and probably the thumbnail, you're already gonna know what this is. But, so, oh, if I can start this. There we go. So, as mentioned, this was found on eBay, $5. It doesn't work. So, yeah, it doesn't work. There's not much else to say other than me struggling to open this box. Maybe I should open it from up here. That will probably be a better idea. Instead of using scissors, why not use a screwdriver? Because screwdrivers somehow are more effective than scissors. I do have a box cutter, but I don't know where it went. It's probably somewhere in my toolbox, knowing myself. Anyways, so yeah, I completely forgot about this because I bought this sometime last week. I think on my birthday. Either my birthday or the day after my birthday, I don't remember. And the seller originally, it was $5 on bidding, and I think there was a buy it now price. I can't remember, but I messaged the seller asking, hey, would you do $5 buy it now? And to my surprise, he said yes, and I was not expecting them to say yes due to the fact that, you know, most sellers don't like selling their items for, like, insanely cheap. But this seller did, and I'm really happy about that, because this is actually one robot I've been trying to get a hold of for a while. I don't think there's any videos of this particular one on YouTube. And when y'all see it, y'all gonna be like, oh, I recognize this robot. Oh god, it smells bad. Y'all are gonna probably be like, oh, I know this robot, but then in reality it's probably gonna be what something you weren't expecting. Alright, so for anyone guesses, oh god, his arm's popping up. So this is Richie. No, this is not some bucket. This is Richie Robot, big disc shooter. And there's an interesting story behind this, which I will do at some later point. Either when I can get hold of my Sunwood bucket that's on my parents' house, or whenever I do a bit of a restoration video on this dude. So it appears that he's complete. He has his manual. He's like really dirty. Red receptor. Powering off. Bye bye. Okay, so if he says the same thing as Son of a Bucket, I'll be very surprised. But well, you know what? I might as well just go ahead and explain the story. Oh my gosh. Is that, so if you all remember Son of a Bucket from Jemmy, when I was with Don, we had spoken to the guy who voiced Son of a Bucket and many other famous Jemmy creations. And one thing we were told was that Son of a Bucket, their idea was stolen by some guy who I believe worked, who worked with the company, and they stole the ideas and everything, took it back to their company, and they renamed the robot Richie, and that robot was released first, before Jemmy could release Son of a Bucket. And these are the words that come from the guy who voiced Son of a Bucket. Alright, so here he is. Oh my gosh, the neck isn't like, the neck gear isn't like broken or anything. Do you work? Yeah, of course it don't work. That's why they sold you for $5. But yeah, if I remember correctly, that's exactly how the whole thing went. Because I remember asking the voice actor if he by any chance knew Son of a Bucket. We played a few voice clips of it, and he recognized and said, "Yeah, I voiced that one." We're all like very amazed, especially me, due to the fact that it's a very rare thing to be into contact with someone who voiced a robot, especially one that wasn't too well known, being Son of a Bucket. Alright, so what are the chances of this thing actually even working? If you're all wondering, I'm using my laptop's webcam due to the fact that my phone phone memory isn't the best, and my other phone, it's just not even better. It's not turning on. Hello, Richie. Huh, guy wasn't kidding when he said it doesn't work. I thought it was just gonna be something dumb with the batteries. I didn't think the robot itself wouldn't. Oh. Oh. Whoa.
Hi, my name is Richie. All systems up.
Why did he sound like Bonzi Buddy?
Hi, my name is Richie. My secret weapon launcher can fire flying saucers, and I can teach you how to dance the robotic rock. And the party dance. Let's have some fun together.
That is the most generic thing I've ever heard, but definitely was not expecting that. Okay, so what's interesting, so here's another thing that's interesting. So if you all noticed, Richie comes with green discs, and Summer Bucket comes with blue discs. So I think what happened was when the people stole the idea for Summer Bucket and developed Richie, they're like, hey, let's give green discs. So from that point on, Jen was like, okay, we can't do green discs anymore because they stole the idea. So let's give him blue discs, even though Summer Bucket on the box is seen with green discs to imitate vomit. Which, if all of you all know Summer Bucket, he's pretty much a drunk robot, so it's Spencer's, that pukes green discs because this is vomit. And for this robot, of course, you see he has green discs even though he doesn't vomit. He just normally shoots them out. So, yeah. I would say what all he can do. I'm curious about the music. And the fact this robot isn't like pretty much pristine shape. The box needs a little bit of work. Overall, the robot is clean and doesn't really look to be used, judging by the wheels, since there's like no debris or dirt. So that's pretty interesting. So this robot was more likely brand new and was opened up for testing, and long and behold, it didn't work. Now I do expect this to not work from the disc shooter mech, because that's like one part that always tends to break on these. And also by the color, this is actually a full-on silver robot with a white clear dome, and Summer Bucket is a bluish silver with a blue tinted dome. Let's see. Oh.
Hi, my name is Richie. All systems up.
I swear he sounds like Bonzi Buddy. Ah. His legs tried to move, but he couldn't. Huh?
Hi, my name is Richie.
Oh, the bears came out of place again.
Hi, my name is Richie. My secret weapon launcher can fire flying saucers, and I can teach you how to dance the robotic rock. And the party dance. Let's have some fun together.
Benny's not responding to remote. Which one's trying me? One is full on. Press the demo button to learn what Richie can do. Press the start button. You're ready to play with Richie. When he says, hi, my name is Richie, all systems up, confirming activation.
Hi, my name is Richie. All systems up.
Okay.
Sorry, disk is not ready.
Okay.
Disk's ready. Watch out.
So, yeah, the flywheel works, but the mechanism isn't working. Okay, it's even working for the head. So, feet aren't moving, so I'm pretty sure if I were to do that... Oh, there we go. One's moving. This one is moving. This leg's working now. Okay, so let me free up the one for this side. So not want to do anything.
Let's do the robotic rock. That was fun. Want to do it again?
Of course, they all say the same thing. Oh, that was fun. Want to do it again?
Let's party.
Sounds like an old video game. No! Anyways, I'm honestly really amazed with how he is. I mean, very obviously very different from Son of a Bucket. I wish I had Son of a Bucket here so I can do a side-by-side comparison, which I will do at some point. Like I said, when I can get ahead of Son of a Bucket from my parents' house. But yeah, that's very interesting. So let me turn him off for now and bring up the box. The box is laid out almost identical to Son of a Bucket, minus the fact that Son of a Bucket doesn't have a window. Well, he has a window, but he doesn't have like this whole... If I can get this thing out of the way, would be nice. This whole panel here, he doesn't have that, but the box and everything is just about identical. But yeah, it literally says Richie Robot, aim and launch soft and safe foam discs. Watch out, top loading disc foam. Everything on here just seems to be like photoshopped in a way. I'll probably post more better photos of this and see if there can be a much more better comparison. Now, what I'm not seeing is who created Richie. Because I'm honestly not seeing it anywhere in the box. Richie uses 4 1.5 AA size batteries included. The infrared remote control uses 2 1.5 size batteries not included. I feel like, if I remember correctly, Son of a Bucket came with a full set of batteries, so he was like ready to be used out of the box. And honestly, from the looks of it, I am definitely not seeing anything, but it looks like on here there was a sticker at one point that probably like says Hyman's Richie or something, and there was probably a price tag as well. Oh yeah, same over here, there was a circular sticker too at one point from the looks of it. Oh look, there's more discs. Alright, well, this has been the unboxing and first test run of Richie Robot. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, I'll see you all in the next video.